Hello, I'm Kim Houghton, Chief Economist at the Regional Australia Institute, and here's a very short update on the impact of COVID-19 in regional Australia as at the middle of May. ABS put out a lovely map yesterday showing how the number of jobs on business payrolls has fallen across the month of March and April. You can see that there's a bunch of regions which are quite dark red where there have been significant falls in the number of people on business payrolls. They're a mix of two kinds of places, those with historically high unemployment and also places that are heavily reliant on hospitality and international tourism. And those industry bases are very important because the ABS also puts out numbers on the number of jobs by industry on business payrolls. And in this data, across all industries, the fall in jobs over the period of March to the middle of April was around 7%. So a 7% fall in the number of jobs of people on business payrolls. But that was highly concentrated in just 7 sub-industries: aviation, education, arts and creative, sports and recreation, accommodation, food and beverage. Outside those ones, the falls in number of people on payrolls has actually been relatively small. So if your region has a lot of these sorts of industries, a lot of these sorts of employers, you will have been hit very hard by these restrictions. The upside, and I'll finish with a positive note, is that our retail spending, while it was down in April, it was down off a big peak in March. So overall, the Bureau of Stats tells us our total retail spending is only down about 9%. Compared to April last year, which is a fall, yes, but not a catastrophic fall. And in fact, the signs, if we look at more real-time credit card data provided by Alpha Beta, you can see that less than 10 days ago, our retail spending was tracking back up to pretty much just below 3% pre-crisis levels. I think what we're buying is different, and that's changed. But that total of essential spending and discretionary spending really bottomed out through the month of March and into early April, but has bounced back fairly sharp. And I think that's a good sign for our economy in the future. I'll do another one of these in a couple of days' time when we get some new data from the ABS on business and household impacts of COVID. See you then.